Ayan po mga palangga, good morning! Good morning everyone! So, kumusta po kayong lahat guys? So, sana okay lang po tayong lahat. So, today is Thursday, August 20, 2026. So, nandito po ako sa loob ng tindahan guys. So, mag-ehersisyo po ako dito ngayon. So, tapos na po kami nag-ehersisyo ni Papi doon sa loob ng bahay. So, ngayon, ako naman ang mag-ehersisyo dito sa loob ng tindahan. So, good morning once again. Kumusta po ang aking mga mahal na viewers and subscribers dyan? God bless us all. Ayan, samahan nyo po akong mag-ehersisyo ngayon guys dito sa aking munting tindahan, sa aking munting sirang tindahan guys. So ayan, shout out to all people around the world watching us this morning. So this is a simple and basic exercise for today's video. So samahan nyo po akong magalaw-galaw ng aking katawan guys ngayon dito sa loob ng tindahan. So, hindi po naman po masyadong mainit. So, hindi pa ako nakabentilador guys kasi maaga pa naman. So, shout out and thank you for always watching guys. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat po sa inyong suporta. So, exercise na po tayo mga palangga. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 26, 27, 28, 30, 31, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nangangalay ng aking balikat guys. Hindi biro yung mag-ehersisyo talaga guys. Ayan, thank you for watching everyone. Job well done. Exercise well done. Thank you for watching guys and salamat sa inyong panonood. God bless us all. Tapos na po ko nag-ehersisyo. Bye! Mwah!